Hey guys, Juan Mazo here, and thanks for joining me on part 4 of preparing for life after college. Now, I have covered what you should be doing to prepare, which is essentially get a job, get an internship, run your side hustle, or if you can, do really well at your degree. The last pieces of advice I can give you is volunteer. If you've not been able to get a job, if you've not been able to side hustle, if you've not been able to do anything in your career, volunteer. You'd be surprised what kind of results you can get from it. First off, when you volunteer, especially within your career, you're going to be able to work on your experience. You're going to be able to work on your skill set and build on it, and that's super useful in my opinion. You're also going to be able to network, and you're going to realize really quickly how important it is to network. A lot of my clients that I met through college were people who then eventually were like, hey, you want to build your IT business? I know someone who has a small business that needs your help. Or I remember doing a lot of volunteer work. Just some of the volunteer work I did was in the community, had nothing to do with technology. And I network and, oh, hey, what do you do? Oh, I'm in college. I do computer stuff. I also fix computers, by the way, if you have any trouble. What do you do? Oh, I'm like a judge. Like, you meet interesting people who will need your services, who have no idea what it is that you do, that you can do for them. And then if you do a good job with them, referrals come in. And some of the best referrals that you can get are probably job referrals. So if they see that you're super smart, you have a great work ethic, they met you volunteering, right? Who likes to work for free is probably what they're thinking. Like, this kid right here is probably worth it. And they're going to try to give you some good letter recommendations, make some good introductions, try to get you a job. Because when you volunteer, you're giving back to society, you're showing that you care, and in my opinion, society always comes back and gives you good karma too. So, my piece of advice, in preparation for life after college, volunteer. That's all I have for today, guys. Let me know if you thought this was useful. Post in the comments below. Make sure you add me on all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm dropping more fire, more knowledge, more helpful advice. And if you guys have any questions that you want me to answer, let me know. No question is dumb. I love helping you guys all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.